Today we will apply multicolor lipstick on lips. So let's get started. First of all, go to Adjustment Layers and select Solid Color. Take any color, I am selecting red color. Select your mask layer and fill with black color by pressing Alt plus Backspace. Zoom in your picture and select lips with any tool. I'm selecting Pen tool for better selection. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for new videos notification. After the selection, click on Selection button on option bar. A small feathers window will be opened in your screen. Select feathers according to your picture. Now select your solid color mask layer and fill it with white color on selection. As you select upper lip, now select bottom lip as well. After the selection, click on Selection button on option bar. A small feathers window will be opened in your screen. Select feathers according to your picture. Now select your solid color mask layer and fill it with white color on selection. After that, go to Modes button on Layer panel and select Linear Burn. This mode gives you very realistic color on lips without shine. For getting shine, right-click on Solid Color Layer and select Blending option. Adjust the value of this layer and under Layering Layer. Press Alt to break the slider for getting best result. Adjust the white layer slider as well. Now double-click on Solid Color Layer, and select any color to get on lips. That's it, now you can apply any color on lips as a lipstick. For getting less shine on lips, go to Blending option and adjust the value of Layers slider for getting result according to your wish. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe Adobe Family channel and click on bell icon so you can get notification of our videos.